Now, Judge Thokozile Masipa has really gained the respect of the international community, I'd say. The New York Times saying that she steadfastly avoided the limelight, BBC saying that she asked surprisingly few questions, inscrutably from time to time, she would smile, and she was simply unflappable. That's according to All Africa.
Yes.
So, do you know much about Judge Masipa? Is this typical of her?
I don't really. I have not had any cases with her. Obviously, one knows that has quite a bit of experience, obviously, as a judge. But before that, before she became a judge, we also know she was in public life, as it were. So she has experience of things other than just being in the law throughout. She has conducted the trial in a very objective fashion. And, I think we'll see how objective she is and how fair she is when the judgment is handed down tomorrow or Friday. But she seems to have remained out of the arena. Sometimes it's been said, well, she should have interfered a bit more often to put the various lawyers to task. Don't ask so many questions, don't badger the witness. But again, you've got a prosecutor who's very experienced, you've got a defense counsel, a defense team that are experienced, and they should be objecting if unfair and improper questions and badgering questions are asked of any particular witness. So, I think she has performed very well, very objectively, not become angry about anything, retained her dignity, and that is good, because that is my feeling is what a judge should do. Many judges and magistrates don't do that. They come out, they become emotional, they become angry, they become critical, and in a way that affects the whole case, and that shouldn't happen. So if judges are going to be televised and magistrates are going to be televised, as I say, they're going to have to be on top of their game. They must deal with everything objectively, even if subconsciously they're getting irritated. Maybe she was thinking, well, come on, get on with this, the case is taking too long, and all of that. Maybe that's what she was thinking, but in fact she never showed it, and I really think she has dealt with this matter in a very objective way, which is really good for the South African criminal justice system.